welcome to my video. This is a little bit different that you guys are seeing from me. I'm in a secret location with some friends.
It's not a secret anymore.
It's not a secret. This is Wendy, and we're at her house. And this is a special guest.
Hi, I'm Katie.
Sister, as she's known over at Wendy's channel. It's Wendy's sister, Katie. And I'm so excited to be here with them because we have something really fantastic planned for you guys. So this year, I will be offering my annual paper share out of the annual catalog, which is right here. Aren't you so jealous? It's beautiful. So there are 19 brand new designer papers, and this is one of them right here that Wendy has. I'll be offering my annual paper share, but this year we're doing something so fun. We are offering 19 card kits to go with it because we get the paper, and then what do we do with the paper? We put it on a shelf, we don't use it. So this year, Wendy has designed 19 different card kits to go with the paper. So there's more. We're so excited to be offering an exclusive Facebook group where we will be having a pajama party, which is why we're in our pajamas. And it's going to be on June 21st from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. and we'll be making those cards with you guys, which will be really fun.
Oh, we should say too, Pacific Standard Time. I don't think we said that in my video. But yeah, it's Pacific Standard Time, so you definitely should know that.
Yeah, because you might be a little later, a little earlier.
The good news is it's recorded.
Yeah, we will record it. You will have access to all of this information. So I will download the videos, I will upload them. You guys will have access to that. So even if the time doesn't work out exactly for you, you will be able to put together your cards. But I promise you're going to want to come to this pajama party.
Yeah, because we're also having door prize drawings.
We will have door prize drawings. We're going to have 2, and they're going to be amazing. They will be new product out of the annual catalog. So you'll want to be there. And then we're going to have an all attendee giveaway, and this is an exclusive giveaway that you will not be able to find anywhere else, and you don't want to miss out on it. So we're very excited about that. So all of the links to sign up are going to be everywhere, you guys. You know, I always provide links. So in the YouTube video, you will see them, on the Facebook post, and on my website. It may seem a little bit crazy that we're announcing this so early, but we've got to get it out because the annual catalog, we'll be ordering paper, we will be creating kits. It's 19 kits, so it's a lot of work.
Do you want me to share the pricing?
Yes, can you share the pricing?
Okay, so for 19 kits with the card kits, the sampler, and getting exclusive access to the Facebook group, which enters you into the drawings and all of that, is $79, and that includes your shipping. So you don't have to stress about adding an additional shipping cost. If you want to get 2 brand new stamp sets from the catalog that will coordinate with all 19 kits, we're going to use 2 stamp sets to make all 19 kits, then your price would be $129. You actually save a little by doing that option. So if you're interested, whichever one you're interested in, there's 2 different options. You can just choose those when you go to sign up. And you will be invoiced in May 27th.
Oh, May 27th. Okay, yeah. That's perfect. And that's right before the catalog goes live. And then, unfortunately, we don't have all of the paper to share with you or the designs of the cards, but they're going to be fabulous and you will love creating them. So I hope that you're as excited as we are. All the links are provided. You'll want to sign up right away. And we are so looking forward to hanging out with you in our Facebook pajama party, creating with you, sharing with you lots of new product, and we hope that you'll sign up. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I'll catch you later.
Bye.
Good to go?
Yeah, it's rolling.
Oh, good. I hope you're quiet on the set. Quiet. Everybody quiet.
She wants you to get hosed down by the government.
I'm sure.
By the nuclear situation.
Hasta la vista, baby.
Hanging out with me today and watching my videos. Here are 2 other of my most recent videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful